Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Okay, so I'm just packaging some items. I have this one which is going to go in here, and I have this one which is going to go with this. This is a lingerie piece that just sold recently. So it's already in like clear plastic, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in there. Then we have to come over here and print off the label. I just turned my computer on, so there's like a bunch of stuff popping up. So one was on Depop and one was on Poshmark. Things ready to go. Then I just printed off a label for this one. This is so cute. It got so many likes, but nobody was like buying it, so it officially sold finally. It's not something that can really like ruin in there. It's not white or anything. Just come over here to my Depop and bump my items in the morning. I do the same with Poshmark. I use the Flip app, link down in the description. Start sharing. Okay, so I just got done packaging those items. They're up there. Now I'm going to go through my Depop listings and rework like the title, the description, the hashtags, all of that stuff. And oh, we just got an eBay sale. What do we sell? Let's go see. We sold the aloe shorts. Let me show you one sec. So I sold these aloe shorts. You never know what you're going to do. Everything always changes. So we just go with the flow around here. So these are what I sold. I found these at the bins. They were in like mint condition. Like the logo is perfect on there. And they are a size extra small. They're like this burnt orange color. So these just sold. So for eBay, what I have to do is I just do like the basic shipping, and then they can pick what they want to do, if they want to do ground or whatever. I use a scale. I use a food scale. My other one broke, but I do have one linked on my Amazon that I'm actually about to order. It looks high tech, so we're going to get that one. It has really good reviews as well. So then I weigh this. Okay, so it said about 3.6 ounces. I always add I always go up a little bit because of the label itself, and I'm sick of getting overcharged for packages that I know the weight of. So since it says 3.6, I'm going to go to about 4 ounces just to be safe. And so right now I'm going to do package weight on eBay. It's not 1 pound. It's 4 ounces, and we'll do, let's see. I always guesstimate on this. You probably shouldn't do that, but I do. So I'm going to say it's about we'll just do like 7 by 7. 7 by 7, just to be safe, by 1. So eBay shipping is telling me that my shipping label is going to be $4.91. Buyer paid $10 for shipping. So that's another way you can get like extra money. You can price your items just a little bit lower, but make sure the shipping says 1 pound. If it's under 1 pound, and then you'll get those extra couple dollars to go towards purchase the label, to go towards your profit. So we're going to go ahead and put these in here. Actually, no, we're not. I am going to take a picture with the label because I am not getting scammed. I'm so sick of the scammers. So these scammers are getting better, you guys. You have to be careful. Okay, so after I take that picture and a little video, I took a little video too as well, just for like the quality of the shorts and how they're like brand new. And then I put it in, I'm gonna package it up. I have this little phlegm. It's snowing outside. It's that time of year. Also these I got, I'll link them down below, from Amazon. They're so cute and they're vibrant and bright. How can someone lose a package that looks like this, right? United States Postal Service. No, but for real, I do have a package that's lost right now. That makes me so mad. It's like, how can you lose a package that's a pair of boots? Like a big pair of boots in a box. This doesn't make sense. Okay, that's packaged up. We're going to set that over here. Okay, now to the Depop. Also, let me know one thing that you guys sold recently that was like a really cool find that actually flipped for profit. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your girl, G. If you want to watch other reselling videos, click that right up there.